Question 5, which is about probability, and we are given 7 cards. 4 of them are A, 2 of them are B, one of them is C. Okay, and one of these 7 cards is chosen at random. Write down the probability that the card is A for part 1. So out of the total is always the same, 7. Out of the 7, we have to find what is the probability that it will be A. So it has 4 chances, 1 2 3 4. Okay, so it's 4 out of the 7. Okay, that's the probability chances. For this one, it's either a or a B, so total is again exactly the same thing which we write at the denominator. So either it's A or a B. So A is 1 2 3 4 and B is 1 2. So 4, the total is 6. So it has 6 chances out of the 7 that it is A or a B. And for part 3 is it does not show the letter B. So out of the whole 7, it does not show B. So which is 1 2 3 4 5. So other than B, there are 5 cards which does not show a B. Okay, so this is the answer. Part B, 2 of the cards are chosen at random without replacement. Find the probability that both show letter A. Okay, so when they say without replacement, it means in the next one, first of all, they have chosen 2 cards at random. For the first time the total was 7, and because they did not replace it, the total for the second time will be reduced to 6. Okay, for the first one to show letter A, there were 4 letter A's. Okay, but because they did not replace the letter A to appear for the second time, the first time the letter A we took it off, and now how many letter A's do we have on the cards is 3. So this is 3. Okay, so 4 times 3 is 12 and 6 times 7 is 42. Okay, and if you want you can round it, but even if you leave your answer like that, you will get the 2 marks. Okay, part 2 now. 2 letters are different. Now this is for 3 marks. It needs a little bit of thinking. Okay, so there are 3 possibilities. Either the first one is A and the second one is either B or a C. So A, B or AC, the 2 letters are different, or the first one is B and the other one is either A or a C. And the third possibility is that we choose the first one is C and the other card is either B or A. Okay, so there are 3 chances and we have to add all the 3 chances to get the 3 marks. Okay, so let's start with the first one. The first one is A, which we already know, which is 4 out of the whole 7 times. Now the total will be decreased. Why? Because they are not replacing the card. Now what is the chances that it is either a B or a C out of the 6? So B or a C, it's 1 2 3. This is the only chance, so it's 3 over 6. Okay, what about the second one? First chance is a B, so how many B's we had? 2 out of the whole 7. Then it will be decreased to 6, the total. Now it's either A or a C. How many A or a C we have? We have 1 2 3 4 and 5. A or C, it's 5 over 6. Oh, is it 5 over 6? Yeah, 5 over 6. And then its first one is a C. It's just 1 out of the whole 7 cards, and then we are not replacing. The total will decrease and it's either A or a B. So how many A or a B we have? If the first one is C, this is gone. How many A or B? All of them. 1 2 3 4 5 6 out of the 6. So this is actually 1. 6 out of the 6. Okay, when you do this on your calculator, you will get 2 over 3. Okay, so even if you write any equivalent fraction, it will still give you all the 3 marks. Now for part C, 3 cards are chosen at random without replacement. Again, the total will decrease whenever they say without replacement. So first one, it will be a 7, and then they will choose another card, it will be a 6 total, and then they are not replacing, then divided by 5. Okay, find the probability that the card does not show the letter C. Okay, for the first one, when they have all of them, it is not a C, so it can be this one, 1 2 3 4 5 6, so it can be 6 chances. It is not a C. 6. Now for the second one card is already chosen and still it should not be a C, so it cannot be a C. One of them is already taken out. It can be any of them. Okay, so how many chances still do we have? Is 1 2 3 4 5 that it is not a C, so it can be A or a B, so it is 5 this time. Now two cards are already taken out and it is still not a C, so this one is taken out. Now this one is also taken out and it cannot be a C, so what is left is 1 2 3 4. Okay, so it's 4, and that's it. 3 cards are chosen, they were not replaced, and when you multiply them you will get 120 over 210, and you can leave your answer unsimplified, because in probability you do not need to simplify. If you simplify, it's up to you actually. Okay, and this question is done.